Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. Coming with a light bar installed in the front bumper. As you can probably tell, this truck does have a bit of a lift installed. Has some nice pocket-style fender flares too. Heavy-duty offset fender or mud flaps, some custom step bars down below, a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. Also freshly detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle there, with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats with two levels each, so your back passengers can stay cozy. Do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding mirrors as well, and three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 61,430 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, and your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at information for your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. So when your vehicle is sitting idle, the engine will shut off to cut down on emissions and save you some fuel. And then you have gauge selections such as your turbo boost gauge, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and my key status. Then you have your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle, and your screen setup in general. You also have a favorites view where you can put any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. Your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view and 360 sensors that will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your hill descent assist, traction control shutoff, hazards, auto start stop shutoff, and your camera view for your front and 360 again with three different views. So you can see all around your truck and hopefully not hit anything. You also have a Sony sound system in this truck, so your audio is going to sound pretty good. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical, media, and climate controls here, once again with dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, Pro Trailer backup controller underneath that, and trailer brake controller at the very bottom. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet there. Below, you have a compartment that opens up to reveal 2 USBs and some more space for your stuff. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for your tow haul mode and sport modes, which you can see there right next to your gear indicator. And then you have a cubby, 2 cup holders, lane departure system, shut off, and parallel park assist here. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room for all your stuff, including another 12-volt power outlet. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof so you can let in the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.